let's take a look at these ThinkPads again. This one's still apart. It says Ryzen 7, so it's the Gen 1. Here's the other one, also apart. Okay, they don't write Gen 2 on it. But remember, this one's a Ryzen 5 only. Maybe it says inside somewhere. I don't know. So we're starting with the Ryzen 7 one. It's got two ports you can use. I don't remember the difference, but I think this one's more likely to fail. Maybe I'll check both. Okay, so the amps are in green. Let me see if I can hold it closer. And I'm gonna hit the power button in a sec. Alright, hitting the power button now. 64, 75, 77. And I did hear a fan momentarily. No picture. So that's that. Let's try the other port. This one's part of the docking connector. Pressing the power button now. There's the fan. So like 50 to 70, that looks like 80. Or really, it's like 800, I think. 0.8 amps. And still no picture. And the fan only spins momentarily. Okay, that's the first one. I'll set that aside. Now here's the other one. It's laid out very similarly, so I'll try the two different ports again. Come on, come on. Gotta open it. .11. Is this one pulling more at standby or whatever than the other one? Okay, gonna power it on now. Nothing. 0.1, 0.11. I think there's a tiny reset button somewhere. Let me flip that around. I think this is the reset button. So we're at 0.11 or 12 doing nothing, and then I'll hit this. And it dropped for a second. Went back up. Nothing from the fan. I'll hold it for a few seconds. Nothing. Let's try the other port. Right here. No, right here. I don't remember if that boots it or not. Okay, gonna hit the power button now. Nothing, no fans. Nothing. I'm gonna test the first one again to see if that 0.1 draw doing nothing is the same or not. I feel like it's not the same. Got a red light, that's different on this one. And the standby draw is lower. 0.05 instead of 0.1 something. What if I hit this reset? That red light goes off for a second. And if I hold it down, it stays off until I let go. Yeah. That does not seem to turn it on though, because the fan didn't spin. So let me get this open and hit the power again. Okay, hitting the power button now. The fan spin goes up to that. Oh, did you see that too? Something? Oh, fan shut off. And there's no picture. Isn't that like the charge current though? Oh, I have the battery unplugged on this one. Okay, it's unplugged on both though. So that doesn't matter. So I'm at that 0.8 amp still, even though the fan is not spinning. And that red light is still on. I think I saw this before, but I'm just figuring it out again. Been a while since that first video. Okay, let me reboot it again and try to get the fan on screen. And it's slowing down. And it stops. but the current is still somewhat high. Oh, the fan is back on. But there's no picture. And then the fan's back off. And if I hit this reset button, lowers the current, but the fan doesn't come back on. So maybe that'll turn it off but not back on, the reset button. So that's where we're at for current draw. I'll wrap it up there.